Getting started with HelloSend and Zoho CRM mobile app. Learn how to get started with HelloSend on the Zoho CRM mobile app and manage your customer communications on the go. This includes sending and receiving messages, viewing conversation history, and staying responsive even when you're away from your desktop. Send and receive messages via the Zoho CRM mobile app using HelloSend, your customer conversations now mobile. Send, receive, and respond anytime, anywhere. All your CRM messages in one mobile app. Stay connected with customers on the go. Customer messaging made simple on mobile. To begin, download the Zoho CRM mobile app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Zoho CRM account credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to the home screen of the application. Choose a module such as Leads, Contacts, or Deals. Here, select Contacts. Open a contact record. Below the contact details, you'll find the HelloSend DM widget. Using HelloSend DM, you can send and receive messages directly, view previous conversations, and continue customer communication seamlessly. The HelloSend History module inside Contacts provides a complete view of customer messaging activity, ensuring all communication details are centrally recorded, all from your mobile device. Thank you for using HelloSend.